I started lowriding, hanging out on Highland with a bicycle and watching all the cars cruising up and down. And I told my dad had a 64 Super Sport. And he said, well, you know what? You come with me to work on the weekends and save up and I'll give you the car. So I went to work 3 o'clock in the morning on the weekends and whenever I was out of school to save up, get my license, and he gave me a 64. That was my first car.
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number
My name's Michael Ochoa, president of the Crowd Car Club San Diego. The crowd's been around for 40 years. I've been a member for 31 years, 32 years, and I became president a year ago. I don't want to say fire engine red, but it's a red with the flake, but it's when the sun hits it, it just sparkles. The top is just a burgundy with the silver base flake patterned out. I didn't want no patterns on the side because I didn't want to do my frame. I wanted to be different than everybody else. Everybody patterns the side of their frames, and I mean, no disrespect to them, I think those cars are badass. And you know, I just built it, I built it my way.
What's the car's name?
It's Rag Daddy 64. Every piece of engraving was done by Crazy Cutting in Yuma, Arizona. Armando and Santiago and staff got custom made Zenith 13s with the 520s. Got me a Hapo setup, had Armando from Crazy Cutting engrave all my setups. The A-arms all engraved, half the motors engraved. Underneath the oil pan, tranny pan, cross member, rear end, all my setups, all the little mirrors and little gas tank, a lot of that stuff engraved. My name is Michael Ochoa, president of the Crowd Car Club, and I support Chingon The Magazine.